Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to replace a damaged RBC card. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your client card or username. After entering, click on Next. Here, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a tab for Profile and Account Settings. Click on Profile and Account Settings tab. On the left side menu of this page, you will see tab for Account Management. Click on Account Management. Under Account Management, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Damaged Cards. Now here, select your card. Click on the radio button beside the card you wish to replace as damaged. After that, click on Next. Then on this page, read the information stated below, on how to replace a damaged client card. After reading, click on Next. Next, review your order details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Submit. That's how you replace a damaged RBC card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.